Hey everyone, I am Ryan Nilsson, and I have a question for you. Why is it that you can upgrade your skills by following all the latest strategies, buying the greatest products, software, and courses, and still fall short of your income goals? Well, because no one's ever taught you how to upgrade the one thing that ultimately determines your financial success. It's you. More specifically, your self image. Now, stay with me here because here's the truth. You can never outperform your self image, but you can change it. And if you're like most people, especially in the make money online space, chances are no one's ever taught you what your self image is or how or why it's shaping your results. As Dr. Maxwell Maltz wrote in his book, Psycho-Cybernetics, each of us holds a mental picture of ourselves. It's called your self-image or identity. It influences how you act, how you relate to others, and how you see your place in this world. And yes, how much money you allow yourself to earn. And the thing is, that identity, your self-image, is always running the show. If you don't truly see yourself as the person who earns 5, 6, or 7 figures a month, it won't matter how many strategies or courses you stack on top. Your internal thermostat will always keep pulling you back to what is familiar, what is comfortable, but ultimately leaves you unsatisfied with your current results. That's because no matter how much effort you throw at your business, your mind will always pull you back to the identity or self-image you identify with and believe is true. That's exactly where I was when I started my online marketing journey and why we at Magnet Mind Development created a monthly self-image scripting workshop. This is a free live workshop that we host on the first Monday of every month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, led by my mentor and mindset coach, Reiss Farias. Her event is designed to help you finally align your self-image with the goals you're working so hard to achieve in your business and in your life. Inside each monthly 60-minute experience, Mary walks you through how to write your self-image script step by step, how to create affirmations that actually work because they're rooted in your own true words, how to maintain a consistent vision of your ideal self, and we have a live Q&A session at the end so that you can get real personalized support. Mary teaches you how to relax and visualize yourself as the person you truly want to be, how you speak, how you show up, how you sell, how you serve, and how you lead. And then she helps you capture that version of yourself in the present tense in your own self-image script. You see, we become what we think about. That's not just an inspiring quote. It's a universal truth backed by every great teacher and leader in history. And I've seen this work for people over and over again. I've watched personalities shift in real time just from people starting to see themselves differently. We've had people come into these workshops unsure, scattered, stuck, and insecure, and leave with clarity, confidence, and a written self-image that they can use to guide their actions for life. And the best part, you can come back month after month. You're welcome to come back and refine your main self-image script or create mini scripts for specific areas of your life, like your health, your wealth, and your relationships, and more. So if you're ready to stop forcing results and start becoming the version of you who naturally creates results, then click the link in the description below and register now for the next self-image scripting workshop. Once again, we meet live on Zoom every first Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link to register for any one of these monthly live events is in the description below this video. And yes, we will have exclusive bonuses, waiting for everyone who attends any of our sessions live. Your next level starts with upgrading the image you hold of yourself. And remember, it isn't something you chase, it's something you become. And I look forward to seeing you inside our next self-image scripting workshop. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. And you can always reach out to me via email at ryan@ryansreviews.com. Thank you.